Welcome back to an afternoon with the Flavor Guy. Today I'm here to answer your question of the week, and this week's question is, does our egg flavor substitute have any flavor or taste to it? The short answer is no. It's absolutely neutral. It has no flavor at all. But just for fun, I thought we'd mix up a quick batch. So I have 3 grams of our powder mixture, which is primarily made of a special grind of psyllium fiber powder. I have our 4.5 ounces of water, and I'm going to mix the water in and vigorously start stirring it. After stirring for a few minutes, the powder will begin to start dissolving and thickening up. 2 ounces of this material will replace 1 egg, and then just keep stirring it every couple of minutes till you get that desired thickness or consistency. Thank you for watching, and keep the questions coming. We'll see you next time.